Hey guys, Boyd here. Gary says that I need to hold the camera further away, so I'm using as much arm space as I've got over here. Today, let's show you what we've got here in the shop. This is a Daihatsu, if I say that right, Rocky. This is a 1992, and what we're doing with this little guy is replacing the wheel bearings on this thing. So if you're playing with one of these and you're changing out the wheel bearings, what you need to do is have a deep well 2-inch socket, or a 50, is it 50 millimeter? 50 millimeters is 2-inch, but you need that. So this thing, if you look at this thing, this got 130,000 miles, something like that, but man, this thing is clean. So it just came in for a little bit of service. Has a leak on the exhaust, so it's not passing emissions over there. But this is what we've got over here. There's your 2-inch nut right there that you need the 2-inch deep at least from there coming back. We went over to O'Reilly's. I got a socket for 19-20 bucks, but it's just not deep enough to get that out. So this is the Smack Daddy here that we bought, but you can see it's just not deep enough. So we've got this. We've just ordered another deeper 2-inch socket, so we can get the torque on there. You can see over here where we've just got a little bit of play in this dang thing, so that's going to end up becoming a death wobble situation. We also take a look at how clean that arm is in the frame. Now that frame used to look like that. You're going to have to check back with us to see what kind of chemicals we're using on that, but it is water-based chemical. We'll have that out there on our website soon. So until then, peace out.